So today I'm going to be covering variables in my next tutorial, learning Python for beginners. So let's get started. I've got Visual Studio 2022 open. I'm going to now click on create new project. I'm going to navigate to Python application. I'm going to click on next. I'm going to call this variables new. Now I'm going to click on create. So variables are basically data within a computer's memory. So this includes things such as first name, last name, age, price, and so forth. It's just opening now. So I'm going to start off with my variables now. So I'm going to declare my first variable, which is age. I'm just going to give it a random number, 15. So basically a number is an integer. Going to click on enter. Next variable I'm going to declare is price. Just going to make up any number. I forgot to put equals, so always remember to put equals. Now I'm going to do first name. Always put underscore after the first name. Just going to give it my own name. I'm going to define another variable, which is item. This is basically another string. I'm going to call it coat. So now we've got all our variables. Basically going to use a print function. Opening the brackets. Age, comma, price, first name, and item. As you can see, there's no errors. I'm going to run this program to see if it works. As you can see, it worked. So I'm going to press any key to continue. Or you can lay it out like this. Print age, print price, print first name, and finally item. As you can see, there's no errors, so I'm going to run this program. As you can see, it works. So if you liked my video, please can you subscribe to my YouTube IT channel on YouTube, and Follow me on TikTok. Thank you.